Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see about Aadhaar number validation in Pega. Consider a loan application use case in which the customer will be filling the form and submitting the details. In that details, Aadhaar number will be given. We need to validate whether the entered Aadhaar number is valid or not. Let's see how to implement in Pega. We need to add a validation rule to the Aadhaar number property. So for that, first navigate to the loan application, then data model. Under the data model, property will be there. Inside the property, Aadhaar number will be there. Open the Aadhaar number property. After opening the Aadhaar number property, switch to the advanced tab. So in the advanced tab, you will be able to see the use validate field. So here we need to create a validation rule. In edit validate rule, we will be writing a Java code to validate the Aadhaar number using regular expression. So in that, the first number can be from 2 to 9, and after that, the 3 digit can be from 0 to 9. So after every 4 number, there will be one space in Aadhaar number. After space, again the 4 digit can be from 0 to 9, one space. Again the 4 digit can be from 0 to 9. Totally there will be 12 digits in the Aadhaar number. After writing the Java code, save the edit validate role and navigate to the loan application case type. Just save the entire application and try to create a case. In the Aadhaar number field, for example, enter 123467895467. This is not a valid Aadhaar number because the first number is 1. Let me try with the alphabet and special character. This is also not a valid Aadhaar number because Aadhaar number will contain only digits. Let me try with the correct format. No error is thrown and form got submitted successfully. The case is routed for approval. Thanks for watching the video guys. What should I cover next? Leave a comment in the comment section. Until then, stay tuned for next video.